Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best gluten-free Jiffy Cornbread is probably one of the most convenient and delicious gluten-free cornbread mixes on the market, offering a simple solution for those with dietary restrictions or anyone looking for a quick and easy cornbread recipe without compromising on taste or texture. This video will explore its ease of use, taste, texture, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your kitchen. Number 5. P.A.N Gluten-Free Cornbread Mix. It's incredibly easy to make delicious, gluten-free cornbread and muffins. This mix will help you create amazing memories in the kitchen, passed down through generations. Making this cornbread is a snap. Simply combine the ingredients, mix for 2 minutes, bake, and enjoy. It's that simple. For over 60 years, P.A.N has been bringing people together through delicious food. Now you can bake perfect cornbread, just like a pro, at home. It's completely gluten-free and made without preservatives. Enjoy the delicious taste without worry. This mix is manufactured in the USA to the highest quality standards, ensuring a consistently great product. What we like? It's incredibly easy to prepare, taking only minutes from mixing to baking. This mix has a long history of bringing families together through baking. If you're looking for a simple, delicious, and certified gluten-free cornbread experience, this is the one for you. What people say. This cornbread is great and the taste is on point. It is a sweet cornbread, so this is not one for use in stuffing. But it's good with butter and chili. This is the best gluten-free cornbread mix I have ever bought. So delicious. I made this for an office lunch event for my gluten-free coworkers. I also used an egg replacement and almond milk to get it dairy-free and vegan. It was a hit. It wasn't dry and smelled sweet, almost like it had honey in it. I used 2 pouches to make a 9x13 pan. I was afraid it would spill over the edges when it cooked, but it did not. Number 4. King Arthur Gluten-Free Cornbread Mix. Make delicious gluten-free cornbread easily with our pre-mixed ingredients. It's the same great taste you love, without the gluten. It's so easy to use, just add the wet ingredients and bake. We've done all the measuring and mixing for you. It's packed with wholesome grains, making it both delicious and nutritious. Enjoy the goodness. This cornbread is incredibly moist and tender with a beautiful golden crust. You won't be able to resist it. This cornbread is so good, it's hard to stop eating. It's perfect for any occasion. Serve it as a side dish, a snack, or even dessert. It's versatile and always a crowd pleaser. What we like? It's made with wholesome whole grains, resulting in a wonderfully tender texture. The pre-measured ingredients make preparation a breeze. If you prioritize healthy ingredients and ease of use, this option is perfect for you. What people say. Has a good texture and flavor. Husband didn't know it was gluten-free. I like the ease of this mix, and it was moist and tasted pretty good. Adding corn makes it even better. Moist and yummy. Number 3. Bob's Red Mill Gluten-Free Cornbread. It's made with whole grain cornmeal for rich flavor, stone ground sorghum flour for a tender crumb, and a touch of sweetness from cane sugar. This mix delivers delicious cornbread every time. We're committed to gluten-free goodness. It's produced in a dedicated gluten-free facility and rigorously tested to ensure purity. It's incredibly versatile. Use it for classic cornbread, muffins, stuffing, or as a tasty casserole topping. The possibilities are endless. It's completely vegan, free from eggs, dairy, and honey. Enjoy this wholesome treat, no matter your dietary needs. We're passionate about bringing wholesome goodness to your table. Each bag is filled with the finest ingredients, carefully stone ground for exceptional quality. This mix makes baking simple and straightforward. Just follow the instructions for delicious cornbread with minimal effort. What we like? Made with wholesome whole grain cornmeal and sorghum for a rich flavor. It's also vegan, making it suitable for various dietary needs. If you are looking for a versatile, vegan, and gluten-free mix for cornbread, muffins, or stuffing, this is your best bet. What people say. I made the recipe following the instructions on the package. I replaced milk with almond milk, and I added raisins. I really liked it. Texture is a little bit dry, yes, but not too much. Not too sweet and with some salty notes. Different consistency and did not brown on top, but tasted good. I used vegan egg substitute and melted vegan butter in it rather than oil. I also added mild banana peppers and Bragg's mixed seasoning to it, which gave it good flavor. I like the mix as it does not have aluminium in it or ammonium. Number 2. XO Baking Company. Gluten-Free Cornbread. It's time to enjoy delicious cornbread without the gluten. This gourmet mix uses a special blend of gluten-free flours to deliver the classic taste and texture you love. Making moist and delicious gluten-free cornbread is easier than you think. Just add a few simple ingredients and bake for 30 to 40 minutes. Savor the slightly sweet taste of cornbread. Serve it warm with honey butter or chili. It's so good, even your gluten-eating friends won't believe it's gluten-free. It's rice-free, soy-free, dairy-free, and made in a peanut-free facility. Kosher and non-GMO, it's a safe and delicious choice for everyone. We use only the finest ingredients. This premium mix is free of preservatives, artificial flavors, and artificial colors, ensuring the best possible taste and quality. What we like. It's made without GMOs, dairy, soy, rice, or preservatives, making it a safe choice for various allergies. It also contains no artificial flavors or colors. If you have multiple allergies or sensitivities and want a clean, gourmet cornbread, this is the one for you. Number 1. Stonewall Kitchen Gluten-Free Cornbread Mix. Stonewall Kitchen is excited to introduce our new gluten-free cornbread mix. It has the same delicious taste and texture you love, now without the gluten. Enjoy the same moist and crumbly texture you've always loved in our cornbread. It's perfect for those with gluten sensitivities. This mix is a must-have for your pantry. It's ideal for pairing with chili, hearty stews, or enjoying on its own. Stonewall Kitchen is part of a larger family of brands, offering a wide variety of gourmet food, home goods, and gifts. We're loved around the world. Our journey began in 1991 at a local farmer's market. Today, we're a global brand committed to quality and deliciousness. Decades of dreaming, testing, and producing have gone into creating our products. We use only the finest ingredients for the best taste. What we like. It retains the delicious cornmeal taste and moist, crumbly texture of traditional cornbread, now in a gluten-free version. It's perfect for pairing with chili or hearty stews. If you love classic cornbread but need a gluten-free option, this is a perfect choice. What people say. Good flavor and texture. Freeze as well as you want to bake ahead. It is extremely easy to make. We love this cornbread and used it for sausage stuffing this year. It was fantastic. We use buttermilk instead of whole milk and it tastes even better. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.